Cody. I can't believe the day is finally here after many date and venue changes. I am so excited and can't wait to marry you again in front of all of our family and friends today. 7 years later, and there is no one else I would rather have by my side in this life. You make me feel loved, beautiful, and cared for each and every day. I truly couldn't picture it until the day I met you, and I felt a sense of forever. I will never forget the moment I met you at Monmouth College. I knew immediately you were the person I was going to spend forever with. I wholeheartedly believe that everything in life happens for a reason and that our paths crossed when they were supposed to. You are the kindest human I have ever met. You are the perfect addition to both my family and my friends. You always make me laugh, and I am blessed you chose me to be your forever. You are the best partner, husband, and most of all, best friend. As I walk down the aisle today, the song states that love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave. When it's too heavy to carry, remember this moment with me. And this is what I promise you today. Love you, Kat.
Caitlin, I love you for many reasons. There are too many to list. First and foremost, I love you because you accept me for who I am. You are very loving and patient towards me and have been by my side during good and bad times.
3, 2, 1. My name's Caitlin, I'm the bride, and this is my first drink of the night. Just cut it off there.
You are beautiful, smart, and everything I want in a wife. As we both have talked about this day for way longer than expected. But this is why I hope we both cherish every moment in an even deeper way. We will have the time of our lives today. Remember to enjoy it. You are very inspiring to me because you believe in me even when I don't. You have made me more driven to do my best each day. You inspired me to go back to school to finish my degree. I wouldn't have been able to make it through those years without you. Because of you, I have been to places I could only dream of, such as Italy. I love you now and forever. Cody.
These are the hands of your best friend, young and strong and full of love for you, that are holding yours on your wedding day, as you promise to love each other today, tomorrow, and forever. These are the hands that will work alongside yours as together you build your future. These are the hands that will passionately love you, cherish you through the years, and with the slightest touch will comfort you like no other. These are the hands that will tenderly hold your children, the hands that will join your family as one. These are the hands that will give you strength when you need it, support and encouragement to pursue your dreams, and comfort through difficult times. And lastly, these are the hands that even when wrinkled and aged will still be reaching for yours, still giving you the same unspoken tenderness with just a touch.
When they see something that they want, they just go get it. They don't worry about what challenges are in the way. They don't worry about any obstacles. They just go for it and they achieve it.
Back in 2014, 7 years ago, we became boyfriend and girlfriend. 1 year ago, we became husband and wife. And today we get to renew those vows again in front of all of our family and friends. I am so happy I decided to message you on Facebook many years ago because look where it has led us. This journey, this adventure that we're on, has already challenged us as a couple to work through hardships and obstacles, to become stronger in our communication and our commitment to our love. We have gone through some very difficult moments together, but have also had the opportunity to share life's greatest moments as well. one of those being today. I promise to stand by your side through the good and the bad always.
It is my honor and delight to declare you husband and wife. Again, go forth and live each day to the fullest. You may kiss your bride.
I promise to binge watch Netflix at all hours of the night while snacking when we shouldn't be. I promise through the good seasons and the bad to comfort you when the Bulls lose, cheer with you when the Packers win, and join you at all the Cardinals games. I promise to be your travel companion for life. I promise to take care of you because if I don't, you would actually eat pizza and ice cream for every single meal. I will try my hardest to accept that I make mistakes and I'm not always right. I promise to walk with you hand in hand as your biggest fan, shoulder to lean on, and your best friend. I promise to put you first and always. I promise to build upon our trust and to be by your side fully and faithfully. To create and support a family with you in a household filled with laughter, patience, understanding, and love. I vow not just to grow old together, but to actually grow together. And most importantly today, in front of our closest friends and family, I take you as my husband again because this is my favorite love story of all.
How many couples do you guys know that love each other so much they got married 2 years in a row? I mean, personally, I can't wait for next year's wedding. You guys are gonna have to work hard to up it though. Like, I don't know, don't tell me I wanna be surprised. Okay?
If you've ever spent time with these two together, you know their love for each other is full of happy, weird, and precious moments. Join everyone in welcoming them to this new adventure.
Reach out your hand, let me hold you in my arms on this road. 'Cause I've been waiting, I've been waiting.
It's really great to watch you two be together. I can really see the connection between you two. It's great.
So, we're gonna raise our glasses to Caitlin and Cody, the new happy couple, and wish them a lifetime of happiness, love, and laughter, okay? Cheers!
Never shall I feel the way as I did the moment you did say you've been waiting, you've been waiting.
Quiet little girl without a mean thought in her head. Not so uncommon at 4 years old, but 25 years later, you are still that same sweet, patient soul. The only word I can find at the moment is amazing. Amazing and beautiful, both inside and out. May the joy you share today be the beginning of a lifetime of great happiness and fulfillment. Cheers.
Why can't keep you out of my mind? Why can't keep you out of my mind? Why can't keep you out of my mind?
Caitlin, you are really my whole world, and I'm extremely lucky to wake up next to you every day. I cherish every moment with you. You are my rock and my lifetime adventure partner. I can't wait to see what else this journey in life holds for us. I love you for your beauty, strength, independence, intelligence, and patience with me. I promise to love you more than pizza. I promise to kiss you more than the dogs. I promise to give you my best self. I promise to hold your hand every day. I promise to laugh and cry with you. I vow to support you, push you, and above all, love you. I promise to choose you every day.
Let's have adventures, me and you and me. Let's have adventures, you and me. We'll go where the wind will take us, see what we can see. Let's have adventures, you and me. You're my best friend, and I'm yours too. Through thick and thin, whether it's gray skies or blue, we've got a love, and it's never gonna end. Ooh, you're my best friend.
I just want to thank every one of you for coming out. None of this would have happened without you guys. Everyone enjoy.
Let's take a ride, me and you and me. Let's take a ride, just you and me. The wind against our backs, we have never been more free. Let's take a ride, just you and me.
It's always said that parents want their kids to do better than them in life. Own a bigger house, more money, better car, and sure, I wanted those things for you. But more importantly, I wanted you to be better. Be a better student, a better athlete, a better friend. In general, a better version of me. You've achieved that and so much more. I see how you tackle everything in life and it amazes me. You love freely and forgive easily. You are truly living your best life. Yes, even with you, Cody, she's living her best life.
Let's be together, me and you and me. Let's be together, you and me.
Marriage isn't about finding somebody that you can live with. It's about finding the one person you can't live without. May the love that you share now grow as you guys grow stronger.
You're my best friend, and I'm yours too. Through thick and thin, whether it's gray skies or blue, we've got a love, and it's never gonna end. Ooh, you're my best friend. Ooh, you're my best friend. Ooh, you're my best friend.